At the very top of the dashboard, you have the toolbar. The upper left corner features your current selected show. You can have multiple shows on a single account. By clicking on the drop-down, you can toggle between them. In the middle of the page is the navigation bar. Here you can cycle between the main dashboard, your stats page, episode list, social calendar, and ad revenue, provided Libsyn automatic ads has been enabled. In the upper right-hand corner is the New button, which allows you to create a new episode. As mentioned earlier, you can also access your podcast settings by clicking on the gear icon. And at the very end of the top bar is the account settings, where you can access your billing information as well as our knowledge base. Below the toolbar is a quick look at how your podcast is performing. The stats themselves are broken down into your show's all-time, monthly, and weekly downloads. Moving your cursor over the graphs, you can see the specific number of downloads on screen. Keep in mind that this is just a quick overview. Clicking on the stats page at the top will give you more comprehensive information about your show. Below the stats overview are a list of your recent episodes, the date published, and the current episode status. By clicking on an episode, you can access your episode player, the episode description, and the episode details. Plus, you can view the current downloads for the episode and a list of all destinations where the episode was published. You can also edit a draft or a previously published episode by clicking on the Edit button. Right next to the episode list is your announcements panel. Keep an eye on this area as any news, updates, and events related to Libsyn are displayed here. At the very bottom, you'll find the quick links, episode embed, and monthly storage sections. Quick links give you access to your RSS feed link that can be copied and pasted in Apple Podcasts or any podcast directory that we do not have listed within your destinations. Along with the RSS feed link, you also have a quick link for your podcast show player. Clicking this will allow you to customize the player to match your branding and provide you with an embed code that can be pasted into your website. The episode embed section gives you the same control as your show embed player, but with the added benefit of being able to embed a single episode. Click the drop-down and choose the episode you want to embed, then customize it and copy the embed code. The monthly storage section will give you a glance of your monthly storage allotment. Clicking the Manage button will show you all the current files that have been uploaded under your Libsyn account with options to preview, download, or delete.